We gon' make it. We gon' make it. We gon' make it. That used to be my song. Hey, you guys. Let's try that again. I just dropped Ann off at school and now I'm on my way to the new house. This is the weekend for us to move in, you guys, so everything is in full swing. I actually have a cleaning crew on their way over right now, so I went and got some coffee for everyone. So I'm in the process of still packing up the old house. I'm probably about 80% done. We're supposed to move in about 48 hours, so I think I got time to finish up all the last little stuff. But it's like when you're trying to pack a lot of stuff, you really have to get immersed in it. Like, I've really thrown so much stuff away. I'm opening up cabinets and I'm seeing like a whole bunch of other shit I need to pack. So it's just like, this is taking a really long time. We had lived there for 3 years, so it's 3 years of crap. Man, it's starting to get to me, but we're gonna make it. I hired a moving crew that's supposed to be coming at 9 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, so that'll take some of the sting out of it. At least I don't have to move anything. But you guys, I have thrown so much stuff away. I have thrown away, and I feel so bad I didn't get a chance to really properly donate everything, so most of the stuff is in the trash. But I just did not have time. I gotta get everything moving, and a lot of that stuff is in my way, so the dumpster is filled with like quality stuff that's just gonna get burned in the freaking landfill, but I can't do anything about that. But anyway, I'm going over here to the new house because I have like this labeling system with all of the boxes, so I want to create corresponding labels for all of the rooms. So if a box says bedroom 1, I want the door to have a note that says bedroom 1. That way we can create some autonomy with these movers so that they can move a lot faster, because we're paying them by the hour, and it ain't cheap, honey. If you have hired movers anytime in your life, you already know that they are not cheap, especially for moving into a house as big as ours. We got multiple floors and all this stuff, so they charge extra for all that stuff. So I want to just make it as smooth of a process as possible and whatnot. So I'm going over here to the house right now to do that, and then to let the cleaners in, and then I'm gonna leave and go back to the condo and finish packing, and then I gotta drive back out here and pick up Ann from school. So it's this whole thing. I want to show y'all something in the guest room. So I'm standing in the guest room right now. I want to give you guys a quick view. This is the closet system that my dad put in here. But I was so excited about this thing because it's a luggage rack that I ordered off of Amazon. I'll put the link below. I love the color. It's like a dark chocolate. I think they call this like a Java finish or stain. But I got this in here because it's gonna match with the bedroom suite that we're putting in here. And I think it's so cool to have in a guest room, because when your guests come from out of town, which we get a lot of traveling guests, they'll have somewhere to put their luggage. So I thought that was really cool. I thought it was cool. Okay, be quiet. Y'all getting it. Getting it, getting it, getting it. I just wanted to share with you guys some of this chaos up in here. Ann's room is pretty much packed up. Everything else the movers take care of. But here's her empty closet. This just brings back memories of when we were trying to get her room all figured out. And then I'm gonna show you guys the kitchen. Everything that's left is like Anthony's stuff, so he's gotta come get his stuff. But the kitchen is not actually packed up yet. There's still a ton of stuff in the cabinets, but I think that's gonna be kind of easy because everything is just kind of gonna go in a big old box. But these are some of the other items that I have packed. Hey, Shari. This is the big bundle of hair products that I'm gonna be giving to the cleaning crew over at the house because like they're natural and they would love it. So just a bunch of Cantu, Cream of Nature, Main Choice, and some ORS stuff. All right, so I'm gonna head out. Oh yeah, should we water them only at night? Because Anthony said he heard that you'll cook them if you water them during the day.
Yeah, absolutely will.
Okay.
But I thought that somebody's had an ordinance.
Anyway, Mom is giving us green thumb advice.
Yeah. Because there's no more sun.
She's the plant queen. My entire life she has had plants and she has had landscaping and she's done it all herself. She is really good at it. So anyway, you guys, I'm just chilling, you know what I'm saying? Got my shoes off, wood. So the cleaning people just left. The house is beautifully cleaned. The stair people came back with they raggedy asses and finished putting the moldings on the trim down here at the last step. It's still a hot mess though, and I already know when my dad gets here, he's gonna be like, nope, because I can already see some low-key flaws, but I'm so over these stairs, y'all, and at this point, they're just trying to save face because I already told the guy that I'm gonna blast him on social media. I don't think he knows what that really means though. I don't think he knows like really what I'm talking about that I'm gonna do, but whatever. I'm just gonna show y'all one of the things that is a hot mess. So can you see from here that trim around that pole right there? So that's the trim that they put. This is the trim that my dad put. Okay, you see the difference? You know what I mean? You see what I'm saying? Like, that's how you finish an elegant staircase. You do decorative embellished wood. You don't do like shoe base, which is what that is. It's called shoe base.
Who did that one?
Dad did this one. So I just wanted to come upstairs and just show y'all the clean crib, you know what I'm saying? So there's the little note for tomorrow. I hope these movers don't piss me off, for real. The cleaning crew did an amazing job. It just smells and feels so nice. Like, this floor is just... And she cleaned the chandelier, which was dusty as hell, but now it's beautiful. It was always a pretty chandelier, but now it's just better. So Anna's asleep. I picked her up from her school and she had fallen asleep, girl, so I put her in the pack and play. This is my dad's little work area that he was using. My dad is still working on some of the detailed work, but it's looking really good so far, thanks to him. Thanks to his critique of these stairs and his diligence and knowing, you know, what's correct and what's incorrect. It's coming out half decent, but I'm telling y'all, if it wasn't for my dad and the things that he taught me about carpentry, this would have been a ripoff. But I'm forcing these dudes to do the work that they were supposed to do anyway. So thanks to my dad, it's gonna get done. All done packing, you guys. It's crazy in here. This is the final box that I'm gonna be sealing up right now. But y'all, this kitchen was a beast. All of these cabinets, all this stuff, we purged so much. The dumpster is overflowing. So it's about 7:45 a.m. Just woke up about 45 minutes ago. I wanted to wake up a lot earlier, but Anna's still asleep. Anthony's back there still packing his stuff. And I'm about to slide by McDonald's or something to get me a coffee because it is absolutely needed. And then I'm gonna stop by Walgreens real quick and get some bottled water. Pop it in the freezer right quick so these guys can have something to drink. It's about to be a crazy, hectic day. This truck is huge.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. Man, they brought the big boy truck. All right, you guys, we're all moved in. It's over. Moved in completely in 4.5 hours. I can't even believe it, but the movers were really, really good. I'll definitely put their contact information below, let you guys know who we used and all that. Very affordable, not gonna be cheap, but not gonna be breaking the bank either, especially if you plan for something like this, so whatever. We knew we were gonna get movers because I don't move stuff. We've talked about this. It is empty as ever, you guys, because we are moving into a 3,000 square foot home from a small condo on the south side. we didn't have nearly enough furniture to fill this place. We got rooms that we never had before, like a family room, a formal living room, formal dining room. So a lot of new spaces to fill with furniture. So we're just gonna buy new stuff. It's been a little bit of a struggle though, because everywhere we pretty much go to shop for furniture, it's just like all the same stuff. The furniture that's in our budget. Like, I mean, we can splurge and spend, you know, big money and go to these big name, you know, designer places, but that's our food. But anyway, back to what I was saying. The places that we go to, it's like all the stuff looks the same. So we're kind of struggling, but we're gonna figure it out. DoorDash. Getting some PF Chang's. I'm just so happy. I can't wait to have our first DoorDash meal together over here. So what did we get from PF Chang's? So of course I use DoorDash for this. My tofu pad thai. It's, kids meal. It's just noodles with some chicken in there. Let's see if she eats the chicken. And this is Anthony's spicy kung pao something. I don't even know. And then it comes with rice. Ooh, peanuts. wanted to show y'all one more freaking thing, okay? This Fragile box here had all glass in it, all glass. I did not pack it right, as you can see, at all. I didn't have time for the newspaper trick and all that. So, girl, I just put these cloth little bags in here to separate everything. But let me just tell, false alarm, false alarm. Everything's fine. But anyway, nothing got broke. I didn't even pack it right and nothing got broke. You guys, those movers are really, really good. All these little old glasses, but I just wanted to bring them because I'm like, I mean, if they got broke, I wasn't gonna cry about it because a lot of this stuff I've had since college, you know, like these glasses and stuff. And some of this stuff came from the thrift store as well. So I wasn't tripping if it got broke, but man, they didn't break anything. All of my Fragile stuff, I just checked my another Fragile box and nothing got broken. These are all of my mugs and stuff. So you guys, they are good.
Yo, one glass of Patron to smashed in its own, and I dash right back to the pad where I zone. Got a stash collection, double packs that I own. When I break them out, sneakerhead.